I go with you. I go with you. She talks with me. She talks with me. He plays with kids. He plays with kids. Cone. Come with your bag. Come with your bag. Walk with your friend. Walk with your friend. Eat with your family. Eat with your family. Sit with your team. Sit with your team. I travel with her. I travel with her. She sings with joy. She sings with joy. He dances with music. He dances with music. I agree with you. I agree with you. I came without money. I came without money. She lives without fear. She lives without fear. Work without any help. Work without any help. I can walk without shoes. I can walk without shoes. She smiled without reason. She smiled without reason. Go without wasting time. Go without wasting time. I cannot work without you. I cannot work without you. He eats without talking. He eats without talking. I travel without friends. I travel without friends. She sleeps without light. She sleeps without light. Don't go without me. Don't go without me. I go after lunch. I go after lunch. She sleeps after dinner. She sleeps after dinner. He works after school. He works after school. Call me after class. Call me after class. Wash hands after eating. Wash hands after eating. I walk after work. I walk after work. Read after breakfast. Read after breakfast. I will rest after lunch. I will rest after lunch. She goes out after study. She goes out after study. He runs after work. He runs after work. We play after school. We play after school. Come after 2 hours. Come after 2 hours. Drink water before meals. Drink water before meals. I read before bed. I read before bed. Call me before dinner. Call me before dinner. Brush teeth before bed. Brush teeth before bed.